Well, hello again. Well, some more changes coming down. This is RxB 2018. Wait a minute here, I need to fix this. I need to load RxB 2015 just to show the differences. Okay, anyways, this is 2015. And this is 2018, so let's just go to the, you have to hold down the space bar for either one of them. RxB has, you can bypass it, any key will bypass it, it'll get you in RxB, but you know, you can use the space bar as the easiest way. Regular, standard, basic, you have to wait for it to finish loading, whether it's going to load or not, which means it takes longer to get exactly where I'm sitting right now. Anyways, let's take a look at the original commands in RxB were like call AMS on. Now this would turn on the AMS card for the SAMS card. They work with AMS or the SAMS. Later on they turned the AMS card from ASCARD into the SAMS card. So that's what the 99ers started at. Anyways, so they expanded it from originally from 128 to 512 and then to 1 meg now. Now they're talking about 4 meg now and possibly 16 meg. Anyways, that was the original command. What that did is that turned on the AMS card. I had another one here called AMS off, which would turn off the card. Then you had call AMS pass, which would turn on pass mode, which is the normal default mode that you have in EMS. When you fire it up, it doesn't use the other pages unless you tell it to. And then you had another map mode, which was called AMS, which was called map mode. And then map mode was a different form of, it's like pass, but pass mode would ignore the rest of the pages and map mode would not. It would allow you to change the pages. So those are the 4 commands that were built into the AMS that Paul Shipnick demoed with the original AMS. I haven't changed over the program yet to work with 2018, but the program works with RxB. I made a modified version that used these instead of call links with assembly. Also, we had call AMS bank, which means we could change the pages in the AMS. Like right now it would be 2 and 3, right? But you could change them to other numbers like, you know, like 8 and 9. Oops, my typing sucks. And you can change the, whoops, unrecognized character. Well, that's weird. What did I do wrong? Oops. My microphone. Anyways, so I did something wrong here. Anyways, that shouldn't have done that. I must have put an unrecognized character in there. Anyways, in 2018 we have changes. We have call SAMS. All of the commands in RxB now are called SAMS for this. The AMS card was now the SAMS. And like say we went on, we use a string. So you can go call on. You can go call SAMS. You can go off. Call SAMS. Pass. Call SAMS. Map. Now, what is the advantage? Well, then we also have this one, call SAMS. And we could change banks, like say 8 and 9. There you go. So it recognizes it's whether a string or it's whether it's a number. What's the advantage of this? Well, you can do this with like Paul Shipnick's program. You can go call AMS, you know, SAMS on, and then you could do map. Let's see, to do the same thing in 2015. I keep knocking over my microphone because it's next to the mouse, sorry. So, there you go. Anyway, so this would be like, you could do that. In 2018. In 2015, you have to do this. Call, whoops, wrong. Call, and you say like AMS on. Then you have to use a colon and go call AMS map. And you can see the difference. It's much easier to do it in 2018 than it is 2015. It also cut down the number of commands that you have in, RxB, which is what I've been trying to do. So anyways, I just wanted to go through the changes with you to show the difference. I will do another demo with the SAMs, and I'll put the video up. So that's all there is for now. Just wanted to show you what's going on.